2019 novel coronavirus were making high threat to the human society worldwide. The people were suffering more and more from day one when the case found with this new virus in Wuhan, China. Even the report shows the new virus started to spread across the country too fast. The report, which is collected from the affected country, were made the International Health Regulations, IHR, and World Health Organization. After meeting emergency committee declared the public health emergency of international concern, FEIC, on Thursday, January 30, 2020. Based on this, the 2019 novel coronavirus no more considered as epidemic. Hence the people affected around 23 countries, so it's considered as pandemic now. Why they declared 2019 novel coronavirus as public health emergency of international concern. 1. 2019 novel coronavirus public health impact is serious. 2. This virus spread is unusual or unexpected. 3. There is a significant risk for international spread of disease. 4. There is significant risk for international travel or trade restrictions. The history of public health emergency declaration in the past. Declaration of a public health emergency of international concern is very rare. Only 5 times have been declared in the past decade. 1. First emergency declaration for swine flu, H1N1, virus 2009. 2. Second and third declaration respectively for West Africa's Ebola outbreak and for polio with resurgence of wild polio after its near eradication. Small numbers of cases in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Nigeria in 2014. 3. 2016 Zika virus declaration. This was the first time a FEIC was declared for a mosquito-borne disease. 4. From 2018 to 2020 for Ebola declaration is already under process. As a 6th emergency health declaration now in the year of 2020 for the new disease from coronavirus family. 2019 novel coronavirus affected 19 countries and 5 regions. During the time of health emergency declaration. What happens when WHO declares global emergency? 1. The declaration aims to prevent or reduce the cross-border spread of disease while averting needless obstruction of trade and travel to China. 2. It also tells the world that the outbreak of this virus is a serious health emergency. 3. Temporary recommendations for the national health authorities around the world would be included, such as stepping up their monitoring, preparedness and containment measures. 4. The WHO does not have legal authority to sanction countries, but it could ask governments to provide scientific justification for any travel or trade restrictions that they impose in the event of an international emergency. 5. The declaration also gives the WHO the ability to put travel advisories in place, and is a chance for WHO to implement non-binding but practically and politically significant measures that can address travel, trade, quarantine, screening, treatment of novel coronavirus. 6. The WHO can also set global standards of practice.
What is the recommendation for other countries when announcing public health emergency? 1. With this public health emergency declaration, the WHO does not unnecessarily restrict travel and trade to China, but it supports nations with weaker health systems. 2. Aims to accelerate the development of vaccines and treatments, while stopping the spread of rumors and misinformation. 3. Under the global emergency status, countries should work to treat those who are already sick while limiting the spread of the virus. 4. All the countries should share knowledge with the WHO and other countries affected, and work together in a spirit of solidarity and cooperation. 5. The designation pushes nations to coordinate funding, personnel and other resources, and helps countries' residents to follow health recommendations. 6. Under the designation, the WHO is able to review public health measures carried out by countries to ensure they meet proper health standards. Thank you for watching this video. Also, you can check in the playlist or on the top with suggested video to know about 2019 novel coronavirus.
Do subscribe on Nursing Virus channel if you not yet done. Don't forget to click the subscription button and bell icon.